In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can lower the layer opacity in Adobe Fresco. So I'm in Adobe Fresco here. I have this image in my layer window. And if I want to lower the opacity of this image, make sure you have the image selected. So not the layer without the image, but the layer with the image. And then click this settings icon here to the right. And as you can immediately see here, we can change the layer opacity. As you can see, it moves around. You can also choose the blend mode if you would like to, but the opacity can be fixed in this layer properties window. Really easy to work with that in Adobe Fresco. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.